How to buy Moosecoin token. So this token came under the symbol of Moose. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rules on crypto with the referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on about this token, go and check the account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 22 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. And this token trending number 4 in the base section. Now to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your wallet. I will use the BITGET wallet for that. Now go to your wallet and from the top right corner you can click here and select the base as a network. Now click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search one. Now as you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called Moose. Now if you find it, now click on it. Now click here on swap, switch from here, and from the top select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and now you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. As you can see, after that, as you can see, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Moose token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks video.